Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of the International Monetary Fund, IMF? 1. It provides short-term financial assistance to member countries facing balance of payments problems. 2. It conducts regular economic surveillance and provides policy advice to member countries. 3. It primarily focuses on long-term poverty reduction and development financing through concessional loans. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer A. Statement 1 is correct. The IMF is primarily focused on providing short-term financial assistance to countries facing balance of payments (BOP) issues. Statement 2 is correct. One of the key functions of the IMF is to monitor the economic health of its member countries. It conducts regular assessments and surveillance of global economic trends and provides policy advice to help countries improve their economic performance. Statement 3 is incorrect. While poverty reduction is an important goal of the IMF, its primary focus is not long-term poverty reduction or concessional financing. Which areas in Pakistan were primarily targeted during Operation Sindoor? A. Karachi and Islamabad. B. Balakot and Rawalpindi. C. Muridke and Bahawalpur. D. Lahore and Quetta. Option C is correct. Muridke and Bahawalpur were primarily targeted during Operation Sindoor because they are associated with prominent terrorist organizations like Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba, responsible for multiple attacks on India. Muridke is a key location for Lashkar-e-Taiba, while Bahawalpur serves as the headquarters for Jaish-e-Mohammed. The operation aimed to destroy terrorist training camps and prevent further cross-border terrorism. Other options like Karachi, Islamabad, and Rawalpindi were not focal points in this.